This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, 9 strategically placed speakers, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, a rear spoiler, a security system, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, cruise control, and aluminum wheels. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Ford of Mansfield is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1515 West 4th Street in Mansfield.